This video. In this video I am going to discuss some important questions from circle. Very first question: AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle such that AB equals to 10 centimeter and CD equals to 20. The chords are on the opposite side of the center and the distance between them is 17 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Let encircle COR OP perpendicular AB and OQ perpendicular CD. AB parallel CD so that POQ are collinear. Given AB 10 cm, CD 24 cm, PQ 17 cm. Now entangle APO. AP equals to AB by 2, that is 5 cm. OA equals to R, radius OP equals to X, suppose. Now entangle OP AOP. OA square equals to AP square plus OP square R square equals to 5 square plus X square, equation 1. Entangle CQO. CQ equals to 12 centimeter, OQ that is 7 minus X centimeter. Now OC square equals to CQ square plus OQ square, that is R square equals to 12 square 17 minus X whole square. From equation 1 and 2, R square equals to R square, so 5 square plus X square equals to 12 square plus 17 minus X whole square. After simplifying, we get 2x minus 17 equals to 7 and 2x equals to 7 plus 17, x equals to 12 by 2. 24 by 2 equals to 12 centimeter. From equation 1, R square equals to 5 square plus 12 square, that is 169 under root 13 centimeter. Two circles of radii 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the common chord. Let CO1 R1 and C2 and CO2 R2 be two circles. PQ is the common chord. Entangle PO1 O2. PO1 equals to 5, PO2 equals to 3, PO1 O2 equals to 4 centimeter. Now we observe 5 square equals to 3 square plus 4 square, that is PO1 square P equals to O1 O2 whole square plus PO2 square. This shows that PO1 O2 is a right angled triangle. Therefore area of PO1 O2 1 by 2 O1 O2 into O2P, that is 1 by 2 4 into 3 centimeter square. Again we can write area of triangle PO1 O2 1 by 2 base into height, that is O1 O2 into PM. So we get here PM equals to 3 centimeter, that is PQ equals to 2 into 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter equals to 6 centimeter. The line segments joining the center of two circles is perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So PQ equals to 2 into PM, that is 2 into 3 equals to 6 centimeter. All the chords of a circle through a given point which is smallest is one which is bisected at that point. In circle COR through point M, two chords AB and CD are passing. M is the midpoint of AB to prove that CD greater than AB. Construction: draw OM perpendicular to CD and join OM. Proof: M is the midpoint of AB, so OM perpendicular AB. Now in triangle OMN, N equals to 90 degree because ON perpendicular CD. So OM is greater than ON because opposite side of the greater angle is the longer. The chord which is nearer to the center is longer, so CD is greater than AB, that is AB is the smallest chord. If two chords of a circle bisect each other, they must be diameter of the circle. In circle COR, chords AB and CD bisected each other at O. Prove that AB and CD are diameters. Proof in triangle AOC and BOD, AO equals to BO, CO equals to OD. Given angle AOB equals to BOD, vertically opposite angle. So the triangle AOC congruent to BOD, rule of SAS. Therefore AC equals to BD. So chord AC equals to chord BD. Similarly, triangle AOD congruent triangle VOC. Therefore AD equals to VC. So arc AD equals to VC. Wide angulation 1 into AC plus AD equals to VD plus VC. Therefore, arc CAD equals to arc CVD. So CD divides given circles in two equal parts. That is, CD is a diameter. Similarly, AB is also a diameter.